Luxury more than you think, speed that feels unreal. The Ribble Endurance SL, our hero, greets you with a bold, aerodynamic front profile. The sleek carbon fork flows seamlessly into the integrated cockpit, giving off a premium wind-cheating aesthetic. It's not just about looks. This design is built to slice through the air and deliver elite performance. Slide back and you'll meet a saddle crafted for endurance and speed. The minimalist design prioritizes comfort without compromising weight. Paired with carbon seatpost, the setup reduces road buzz, making long rides feel smoother. Up top, the integrated handlebars offer a one-piece carbon solution that's as strong as it is stylish. With clean internal cabling, the cockpit looks futuristic and free of clutter. The ergonomic shape supports aggressive riding positions and keeps handling responsive. Whether climbing or sprinting, feel the power at your fingertips, control like never before. The hydraulic disc brakes provide unmatched stopping power with buttery smooth modulation. Whether you're descending at high speeds or navigating city corners, the braking is consistent and confidence-inspiring. Ribble equips this bike with flat mount calipers that add to the sleek profile. Wet roads, sharp turns. From the side, the Endurance SL, our hero, looks like a sculpture in motion. The monocoque carbon frame is feather-light yet incredibly stiff, designed to transfer every watt of power directly to the pavement. Clean lines, subtle graphics, and the perfect geometry for all-day riding. This isn't just a bike. It's a weapon built for battle and beauty. Glide into the final detail. The wheels. Lightweight carbon hoops paired with Aero spokes and precision hubs make this bike fly. Acceleration is instant, and the road feedback is dialed in just right. With tubeless-ready compatibility, you're set for performance and durability. Stay tuned for more luxury content, next-level bikes you won't believe.